Wouldn't it be amazing if every day could be a great hair day? That would be a dream come true for a lot of us, right? Well, having beautiful and healthy hair is a lot easier than we would think. All it takes to sport nourished flowing locks are some simple maintenance care combined with hair products tailored to your hair type. Here I am sharing rice and flaxseed gel hair pack. It helps in strengthening the roots of the hair. This staple cereal grain is consumed widely in India and helps the body develop new cells. But its application on the skin and hair is even more remarkable. Rice is rich in B vitamins, folate, iron, selenium, and magnesium, which help combat skin and scalp problems. Therefore, rice packs are loaded with numerous beauty benefits. Additionally, rice packs strengthen hair follicles and make the hair shine. Flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which give vital proteins and nutrients to hair follicles. It boosts circulation in the scalp and inhibits hair follicle inflammation that induces hair fall. Flaxseed gel helps hair grow faster and longer by providing nourishment to the hair follicles. The presence of vitamin E in flaxseed provides nutrition to the scalp and reduces free radical damage. Here is a simple DIY hair mask that will do wonders for your locks. Let's check out the recipe. Take 1 cup of cooked white rice. You may also take the leftover rice. In another bowl, take 2 spoons of flax seeds. Add a glass of water. Now boil this on medium to high heat for about 5 minutes or till the gel is formed. Strain the gel while it is still hot because after this it will be difficult to extract the gel. Now blend rice with the extracted gel into a smooth paste. Your nourishing hair mask is ready to be used. Apply this mixture on your scalp and across the hair length. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash it off with a mild shampoo. How did you find this hair remedy?